So everyone, on va commencer avec les parties du corps, which is body parts. Okay. So let's see what we're going to learn in this one. Today's lesson, we're going to learn some body parts, which is les parties du corps, and how to use, basically where all we'll be actually using body parts when we're describing an injury at a pharmacy, daily conversations, let's learn that around body parts. So everyone, repeat with me. Head in French is la tête. Everyone, la tête.
La
La-
tête.
Hair is always plural in French. So les cheveux.
Les cheveux.
Les
Les
cheveux.
cheveux,
Eye is l'œil. L'œil.
l'œil,
L'œil.
Nose is le nez. Le nez.
Le nez.
les nez,
Mouth is la bouche.
La
La
bouche.
la bouche,
Ear is l'oreille.
L'oreille.
l'oreille,
Once again, la tête.
La tête.
La tête.
la
Les
tête,
cheveux.
Les cheveux.
les cheveux,
L'œil.
L'œil.
l'œil,
Le nez.
La
le
Le
nez,
nez.
La bouche.
La bouche.
la bouche,
L'oreille.
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 Yeah. Take 30 seconds, learn these 6 words right now. All right. Next set. Okay. Upper body. Okay. Shoulder in French is l'épaule. Everyone, l'épaule.
L'épaule.
Chest is la poitrine.
La
La
poitrine.
poitrine,
Poitrine.
Le bras.
Le
Le
bras.
le
bras.
bras,
La main.
La
La
main.
la main,
Finger is le doigt. Le
Le
doigt.
doigt.
Le
le
doigt.
doigt,
Once again, l'épaule.
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 La
le cou,
poitrine.
La
la
poitrine.
poitrine,
Le bras.
Le bras.
le
Le
bras,
bras.
La main.
La main.
la
La
main,
Le doigt.
Le doigt.
le doigt.
Take 30 seconds, quickly learn 5 new words.
It's not even coming.
Guys, please put yourselves on mute.
No.
All right. Next set of words. Lower body. So leg is la jambe. Everyone, la
La
jambe.
La jambe.
La jambe.
Knee is le genou.
Le
La
genou.
Foot is le pied.
Le pied.
And toe is l'orteil.
L'orteil.
L'orteil,
L'orteil.
l'orteil,
Good. Once again, la jambe,
La
La
jambe.
la jambe,
le genou,
Le
Le
genou.
le genou,
le pied,
Le pied.
le pied,
l'orteil.
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 Quickly learn 4 words. All right, moving on. Now, inside the body. Heart is le cœur. Le cœur.
Le
Le
cœur.
cœur.
Oh,
Stomach is l'estomac.
l'estomac,
L'estomac.
Back is le dos.
Le
Le
dos.
dos.
Once again, le cœur,
Le
le
cœur.
cœur,
Le corps.
l'estomac,
Le cœur.
L'estomac.
le dos.
Le
Le
dos.
dos. Le dos.
Quickly learn.
Le cœur. L'estomac. Le dos.
All right, moving on. Please remember the masculine, feminine, and the ones which start with vowel and plural. Okay, once again, the masculine one, everyone repeat with me. Le nez,
le nez,
Le nez.
le bras,
Le
Le bras. Les
le
bras.
doigt,
Le
Le
doigt.
doigt.
doigt,
le genou,
Le
Le
genou.
le
genou.
genou,
le pied,
Le
Le
pied.
le
pied.
pied,
le cœur,
Le
Le
cœur.
corps. Le corps.
le dos.
Le dos.
Le dos.
Not le, Maria, it's le. Elise, le. Okay,
Le.
correct. Now, what is le nez?
Neck. Nose.
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 Bras is
Arm.
correct. Arm. Doigt is
Finger.
good. Genou is
Knee.
knee. Pied is
Foot.
good. Cœur is
Heart.
heart. Dos is
Back.
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 Good. Everyone repeat with me. La tête,
La tête.
La tête.
la bouche,
La
La
bouche. La
la
bouche.
poitrine,
La
La
poitrine. La poitrine.
la main,
La main.
La main.
la jambe.
La jambe.
La jambe.
So tête is
Head. Head.
head. Bouche is
Mouth.
Mouth.
mouth. Poitrine is chest.
Chest.
Main is
Hand.
hand. Jambe is
Leg.
good. Last, everyone. L'œil,
L'œil.
l'oreille,
L'oreille.
l'épaule,
L'épaule.
l'orteil,
L'orteil.
l'estomac,
L'estomac.
les cheveux.
Les
Les
cheveux.
cheveux.
So what is l'œil?
Eye.
Eye. L'oreille,
Ear.
ear. L'épaule,
Shoulder.
shoulder. L'orteil,
Mm,
toe. L'estomac,
Stomach.
Stomach.
les cheveux,
Hair.
hair. Good. All right. So these are the words which you'll have to learn. Yeah. Now, how do we use these body parts when we're talking about our pain and discomfort? Okay. So the sentence formation is always going to be like this. J'ai mal, I have pain in the, and then your body part. Okay. If the body part is masculine, we use o. If the body part is feminine, we use ala. If the body part starts with a vowel, then ala, and if it's plural, aux. Okay. Remember, aux. If the body part is plural, like hair, while you'll not have pain in hair, but let's say you want to say both your legs, right? Or something, right? Plural. That is the only place, but generally we use the singular ones because generally you'll have pain in one leg or one arm, right? Now, the French sentence is, so for instance, I want you all to repeat, j'ai mal à la tête. Everyone, j'ai mal à la tête. And the
J'ai mal à la
masculine,
tête.
if the body part is masculine, use the masculine one. So, j'ai mal au bras, everyone.
J'ai mal
J'ai
au
mal au
bras.
bras. If I want to say I have pain in the eye, how will I say?
J'ai mal à l'œil.
Correct. J'ai mal à l'œil. Okay. If I want to say, I have back pain, how will I say?
J'ai mal à la dos.
Au dos, masculine. J'ai mal au dos. Remember? It's masculine. Do, masculine.
Yes.
So all you need to remember is what's masculine, what's feminine, what's plural, right? So only then you'll be able to make sentences. But remember, this is how we use body parts generally, right? In sentences. Now, okay. Very quickly. I in French is
L'œil.
l'œil. What is hand in French?
Ma.
La main. Foot in French is
La pied.
pied. Ear is
Oreille.
okay. Correct. Okay. So you need to learn the spellings. You need to learn, everything you definitely needs to be on your tips as far as the body parts are concerned. Okay. Okay. What is head in French?
Tête.
La tête. What is nose in French?
Le nez.
Le nez. What is arm in French?
Le bras.
Le bras. What is knee in French?
Le genou.
Le genou. Correct. Very good. Super, très bien. Everyone. Oh, it was okay. Well done. So this is something that you need to revise. And one small thing for you, a song which is around body parts. I'll help you learn the song. I mean, the body parts in a quicker fashion. I'll just play something for 30 seconds. First, you listen. The second time I'll play, I want you to sing along. Second and third time. Okay? Here we go.
Bonjour les amis, on va chanter. Voici la tête pour bien penser, avec le nez et la bouche pour manger. Oh les yeux pour regarder, les bras et les mains pour tout toucher, les jambes et les pieds pour danser. On recommence, vous êtes prêts?
One more. I want you all to try to sing. Okay?
Bonjour les amis, on va chanter. Voici la tête pour bien penser, avec le nez et la bouche pour manger. Oh les yeux pour regarder, les bras et les mains pour tout toucher, les jambes et les pieds pour danser. On recommence, vous êtes prêts?
Yeah. Did you understand the song also? I'll explain.
On va chanter.
So, bonjour les amis. On va chanter. We are going to sing.
Voici la tête pour bien penser.
Voici la tête. Here is the head for thinking properly. Yeah.
Avec le nez et la bouche pour manger. Oh les yeux
Avec le nez with the nose and the mouth for eating well, for bien manger, for eating well.
pour regarder.
Les yeux, the eyes. Okay. So singular eye is l'œil. Okay. But the plural of eye is les yeux. Les yeux. So eyes for looking, for watching things, right?
Les bras et les mains pour tout toucher, les jambes et les pieds.
So les bras et les mains. So the arm and the hand for touching everything. Okay. And the legs and the feet
Pour danser,
for dancing.
on recommence, vous êtes prêts?
We'll restart. Are you ready? We'll restart the song. Are you ready? This is what the meaning of the song is. Okay. Once again, everyone.
Bonjour les amis, on va chanter. Voici la tête pour bien penser, avec le nez et la bouche pour manger. Oh les yeux pour regarder, les bras et les mains pour tout toucher, les jambes et les pieds pour danser. On recommence, vous êtes prêts?
Keep sharing this link again with you guys. I want you to listen to the song multiple times to learn the, basic body parts in French. Right? So we will continue tomorrow with the next part, right? The next topic will continue tomorrow. And for that, I would want you to revise also. Please keep revising everything. We'll extend the classes for 1 more week because I've planned something for you and I would like to finish it up as well, right? So that at least your basics are sorted, right? Basics are everything. So whenever you plan to learn French, basics will always help you. Yeah. So that's it from my side then for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Merci alors. À demain.
Merci.
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 Merci
À
beaucoup.
demain.